Okay guys and girls, I just got a note. Again, I got a note, okay? Because the first time when I bought a note was for Delicium. Today we talk about Sonorus, okay? Sonorus, wherever you read, for me it's pretty hard, okay? I'll go SNS, that will be their token, okay? SNS. So I got a note. Why? I'll tell you why. Because I'm very excited for this one, because check this out. If you go to Google app, okay, so sorry, it's for Google Play Store, you will see they have already over 100,000 members downloads for the application. If you go to their app store, okay, I cannot show you here because I don't use Apple, so you will see they're already over 100,000. Also, if you have Apple Store, okay, so they are over 200,000 downloads already, and this token is not even launched yet. So the application is out. You can go there, you can play with the music. This is the music on the internet, Web3, okay? So you can download your music, you can make some money, you can sell, you can make your music into NFTs. Pretty cool stuff. Now, why I got into this project, this is one of the big reason I went in. Also, the token is not even out yet, okay? So what's mean I'm minting tokens every single day from today on. Now let me just go back. Okay, so I just made 77 tokens right here. I bought a node yesterday, okay? I'll show you the video how you can buy the node, and let's go in details what is this project about. Now, before we go anywhere, please understand, I'm not financial advisor. Do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto, you can lose everything, okay? That is just big disclaimer right there. Also, please watch my videos. For more you give, more you receive. I'm the only YouTuber in the DeFi space who is going in India directly right there and helping the poor people in the Philippines, India and Africa. Please watch any of the video and let me know what you think. Okay, let's go for the project and I'll explain you how to buy the node. Is it worth it or not? Okay, so what else you need to know before we go to the details? So check this out. If you go, so we talk about Play Store, Apple Store, okay? They are also on DApp Radar, okay? So that's very good. They also, there we go, they have some kind of lottery right now. They win, okay, on the Magic Square. They have 120,000 plus votes, okay? And they got #1, okay? What is pretty good, okay? I didn't know what's that, but I was reading. So basically, Magic Square is a premier Web3 application store backed by Binance Lab, okay? Who is serving this, okay, it's a bridge between Web2 and Web3. Okay, but well done to them. Over 120,000 votes. Okay, you can go in details and check their website. Okay, but in a nutshell, let's explain what is this about. Also, I'm going to have AMA with these guys. Okay, it will be on Friday. What's today? Today's Saturday. It will be on the 3rd of November at 1 p.m. UK time on my Telegram group. Feel free to join. Also, if anybody get the note using my code, I'm going to send probably a couple of $100, $50 each for any users who join. I will be lucky. Will like what I'm going to do for Delicium in the next couple of days. Okay, so what is Sonorus? Okay, so basically it's a Web3 protocol to make revolution in the music. Okay, simple like that. Okay, you can publish, discover and monetize, so you can make money right there. Okay, so it's a different way. There we go. You can collect music, NFT and earn RUS. So they have two different tokens. Okay, the first token will be RUS. At the moment they're using this one. I'm not sure you're going to, what at the moment, so you can go and use for the application, and they're going to have SNS token, what you earn by having the node. The SNS token is not live yet. It will be live probably in the next few weeks or couple of months. Hopefully we're going to get more information on that during the AMA in a week time. Now just imagine Delicium, okay? If you go back to let me just move my face here. If you go back to Delicium, okay, Delicium did around 12x on the launch price. So just imagine you minting tokens right now. That's why I ape in early, and it's coming out, and then you do 5-10x on your tokens, okay, on the money, okay. So if the token is like on 10-15 cents, if it go up to $1, hey, happy days. Again, not financial advisor, do your risk. So it's an application with the music. You can collect your music, NFT, you can earn your music, you can share some music, and so on and so on. It's very simple. Explain this right here. If you go to the Google app or Play Store, okay, so basically what they say, so explain in just a minute. So welcome to Sonorus, so the Web3 music discovery platform that rewards you for uncovering hiding masterpieces. On Sonorus, you will become a music scout and marketer on a mission to find the best new songs and make them popular, okay? Sonorus hopes to build a transparent music distribution system through blockchain smart contracts. Okay, the best stuff here, this is on Binance chain. So simply show your music taste and we get you rewarded. Now, Scouts rewards, there are two different rewards. Pick a song with your Sono tokens and receive Scouts rewards daily in Sono tokens when these songs gets popular. Make sure you pick the songs you see the potential and get in early before others. Promoter rewards. Spread the song you picked and help them to get popular using your unique sharing link. Get promoting rewards in Sono tokens when more people pick the songs through your promotion. Simple as that. Okay, so you can go and read. They also have a very good investors. Some of the investors is Musk, okay, M-S-A-K, who is a huge investor in the crypto world. The next investor is Husky, one of the earliest investors in Ethereum. Also, one of the investors is Y2Z, who is one of the earliest investor in, actually is the largest investor in the metaverse. Okay, so they have a good investors, and let's go for the next one. Okay, so I did a video yesterday, and let's see if this will be recording. Let me just move my face, and there we go. It's from yesterday. Hope you have the sound. Website, okay, make sure you have your by the way, MetaMask, because with Rabi, I don't know why, but I cannot log in. Make sure you use any hardware wallet. I'm using Ledger. So there are 3,850 sold. Okay, when I supposed to come here when it was like 3,100, but 700 more in the last few days, so it's crazy going up. Okay, so go buy MetaMask, then you need to sign up, okay, with your Ledger. There we go. So you're going to pop up, you sign up. Okay, you signed. Once you sign up with your Ledger, you're in. Okay, there we go. So referral code, so I need my referral code. Let me copy paste. There's the referral code. What you need to use, it's, I think this is 0. Just copy paste my referral code. 0 or I think 0 or O, one of them. WBKTE. All right, so there we go. 1, I agree, and confirm. You might make sure you have USDT is on your MetaMask on Binance chain, and also some BNB for the fees. Let me just go there. Max 600. Okay, next. 5 for the gas fee, 0.5 cents. Confirm. Okay, and just wait. Again, it's taking between 30 minutes and 1 hour to show up on your wallet. Okay, now let's wait. So that was the, and now I need to pay. So that was the approval, and now I need to pay 17 cents. So 22 cents for the fee is not bad at all. I love Binance. I like Pulse, Base, they're all good chains. There we go. Congratulations to myself. 1 DJ note per. And that's about it. So you see how I got the note yesterday. That was yesterday. So, and I already got 77 tokens. It was yesterday, maybe around 20 hours ago. I'm not sure how much we're going to get a daily now, but more notes are bought, you know, less tokens we got. At the moment, they are sold 3,971. You see, yesterday there were 3,800, and already 100 notes are sold more. Now, the price is $600, what is better than Delicium for $400. However, you getting right here Okay, you're getting right here up to 10,000. It's 600. After that, the price go up. Okay, so don't wait to the last minute. Again, nothing financial advice, but I want to get now because the rewards going to decrease every year. It's happening. Okay, again, more in details will be on the AMA. This is just a nutshell how to do and what to do and what is Sonorus and how the node is working. You buy on Binance Chain. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to run. You're earning the tokens every single day. Once the token is live, probably going to be able to withdraw them. You can sell them, probably going to stake them. I don't know, wherever they have, and we're going to ask in the next AMA. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like if you want. If you don't want, I still love you all. Goodbye.